Looking for a proven way to keep your fleet running at maximum efficiency while reducing your cost of ownership? Go electric. By making the move to an electric fleet, you'll realize a world of real sustainable benefits for your fleet operations and the environment, while driving the kind of change that puts you miles ahead. Southern California Edison's Charge Ready Transport program provides the guidance and resources you need to accelerate and simplify your transition to an electric fleet. Right now, SCE will pay a significant portion of what's needed to bring power from the pole to the charging station. And we will provide substantial construction and logistical support, including site design and permitting. Bottom line, your upfront infrastructure costs could be reduced significantly, and you could see ongoing fuel cost savings over equivalent gas and diesel alternatives. To get started, go to sce.com/CRT and fill out an interest form. You'll be connected to one of our EV fleet support team members who will guide you through the many considerations of electrifying your fleet, such as finding the right vehicles and financial incentives to lower the total cost of ownership. Then, when the time is right, we'll conduct a site visit to develop preliminary designs and cost estimates. We'll also finalize designs, obtain permits, and build out the infrastructure to meet your specific needs. That's it. Your system is now fully operational and you're ready to roll. But you're not alone, because we're here to provide any assistance or support needed along the way. Together, let's drive savings, drive sustainability, and drive change. Get started today. Visit sce.com/CRT.